Intech creates clean energy solutions for people around the world. Intech uses solely renewable energies like sun and wind, geothermal, or biomass in their projects. In a lighthouse project in Narketpally, India, Intech installed an 8-kilowatt photovoltaic hybrid system and a water purification plant for the Mother Teresa Rural Development Society Education Center. This project was supported by the German Ministry of Economics with 45% of its investment costs. The solar plant can be operated as an island system or parallel to the grid. The battery backup lasts for 3 days. Reverse osmosis systems from Intech are tailor-made to the client's water needs and economic circumstances. In general, water is pumped from a source, such as a bore well, lake, or river, into a reservoir. From the reservoir, the water is fed through a pre-cleaning section consisting of a sand filter and a carbon filter to microfilters before it can pass the reverse osmosis membranes. Pump pressures between 10 and 20 bar are applied to the reverse osmosis membranes. The pressure is adjusted manually or automatically by a throttling valve in the concentrate line. Roughly 50% of the water leaves the system as permeate, which means clean drinking water. Looking at a reverse osmosis plant, the sand filter and carbon filter are for backflash cleaning. The microfilters have to be cleaned manually. The main parts are the high-pressure pump and the reverse osmosis membranes. UV treatment and remineralization is applied to the drinking water after the permeate leaves the membrane. Until now, several water plants have been accomplished at the rural area of Nalgonda in the state of Andhra Pradesh, India. The Mother Teresa Rural Development Society works with approximately 600 women groups in this area. The Intech purification plants delivered to these groups are operated and maintained solely by women. Due to the economics, the plants are operated manually. Here, the plant's operator explains in Telugu language how to backflush the sand in carbon filters, in which order to switch the pumps, what the working pressures are, and how to adjust the throttle valve to achieve the set point for the pressure in the membranes. The drinking water unit is used to supply water for the whole village. The women operate and maintain the reverse osmosis plant and sell the water to members and non-members in their village. The normal water package is a 20-liter can, which is approximately the volume to serve one family for one day. The operator runs the plant 2 sessions each day, one in the morning and one in the evening. Every cell is documented. Because the water plant is run by the community, every rupee has to be accounted for and goes into the water plant account. In order to enable communities to benefit from the water purification plant, Intech developed a financial solution in 2010. In a lease arrangement, the women groups have approximately 3.5 years to repay the investment for the plant out of the water selling profits. The latest plant was built in Pamela, a village of approximately 3,000 people. The local women group has not only purchased the water plant and the photovoltaic plant from Intech, they built the water house with their own hands. In Pamela, the water is sold for 5 rupees to members and 10 rupees to non-members in the village. The expense for 1 liter of best quality drinking water is approximately 1 cent per liter, or $1.50 for 7 cans, which is a week's consumption for a family. Intech hopes the world gets a little better by bringing clean energy water purification solutions to communities everywhere.